Hi everybody, it's Lori from GLP-1 Journey in Review. I just wanted to make a quick video mentioning the fact that Eli Lilly is suing some of the telehealth companies. The big ones are Mochi and also Henry Meds. Those are at least the only ones that I really heard of. Are they trying to get Mochi while they're down? Could be. Was this unexpected? No, but like I said, very selective on who they pick now. Again, they could have known that Mochi, who is one of the biggest telehealth company, has to be bleeding some money with all the problems that they're having with Equita, Akita, however they're pronouncing it this week, and having to transfer everything to Empower, then Empower taking so long, and bad customer service. So, is it going to be the nail in their coffin? We'll have to see. Like I said, I'm sure they're bleeding some money because at least they have to be hiring some customer service people, hopefully, to take care of it. All the training, all the paying for insurances and things like that. It's costing them a pretty penny, and I know that they probably lost a lot of business with all this. I've had amazing luck, so I can't complain, but I know people have had problems with them. So we'll have to wait and see. So, I think it's kind of strategic as to why Eli Lilly picked them. As far as Henry Meds, I don't really know. I don't really know too much about them. I know they are one of the bigger ones. I don't consider them one of the biggest ones. So I just wish that Mochi would have hired a company, a PR company or something, to handle all of this bad press and help guide them through this problem. Maybe it would have been handled better. I don't know. I'm really not a business person, so I'm assuming they're doing the best that they can. Can it be better for customers? Yes. Can I honestly recommend them right now? Not too sure. Like, my brother wanted to start on some tirzepatide, and I kind of sent him to Orderly. I mean, even though I like Mochi and I've had great luck with them, I couldn't in all good conscience, recommend them with all the problems that they're having and the time that they're taking. For a lot of us, it's not too big of a problem waiting because, once we knew about this, we kind of stocked up a little bit. But, time will tell. We'll have to see. Again, I wish they would have handled things a little bit better. And I wish, as far as Eli Lilly, that they would have, instead of putting all this money into suing all these companies and so forth, if they would just lower their prices a bit. They've done some, it got it down to $4.99, but if they would come down even to $3.50, that would put these compounding companies out of business. They would just spend some money and be the hero of it all and actually think of the customers and, stop the suing and all the cease and desist letters. I know they have a huge legal department, so it's not, super big for them, but, how the, customers see them, is a big thing. And, they probably don't care because they're making billions per quarter, and they're counting on new medications. So again, I just wanted to give you a quick little update and my thoughts on this, because I want to keep you all informed. And this is the best way to do it. Wasn't really enough to say for a live, so I'm just doing a quick little video of this news. And apparently we may get some court updates shortly on the compounding situation with them. So time will tell. In the meantime, it's probably kind of late to be stocking up, but if you haven't, I strongly suggest it. But stick to a reliable compounding company. Don't go to these little fly-by-night ones. I would stay clear of any research grade because God knows what that is. And just do the best. Worst case scenario is we'll have to go through Eli Lilly direct, but again, hopefully prices will come down a bit. And that's all I have to say.